Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. The first thing I want you to do is actually open up Shopify, okay? And then I want you to go to your store. Let me click on settings, and under your store settings, I want you to go here to domains. And what I need you to do is come up here, click on connect existing domain. And then you need to enter the domain you want to connect. So you go back to Hostinger, copy this, and I want you to come and paste it right here. Click on next, and then you can click on follow settings instructions. You get your instructions. What you'll do, you'll come here, click on manage. Okay, here under domains, you can click here as well. And then you can go to your DNS or name servers for that specific domain, right? And then I want you to add records. So you can first choose CNAME, add the record as per what you got from Shopify. So this is CNAME, you copy and paste it right here, and under target, add the record. So as you can see, it's been added successfully. Do the same thing for A, right? You add the record accordingly, just paste that in the A record, and then that's where it points to. Add that. Once the DNS records have been successfully created, what you do is you go to Shopify, you click on verify connection, and if it says incomplete, what you need to do is just wait a little bit. Sometimes that's what happens, or you actually need to update some settings. So what you do is you go to your settings right here, change your domain type. Instead of redirecting you, you change it to primary domain. Okay, so you can see it has been changed. And then you go back and you just go to that URL and it should be working. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.